Hello guys, this is Nadeem from Maths TV. Hope you will like this video. Before starting, I just wanted to invite you to be a part of our YouTube family. You can do this by just clicking the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you get notifications for newly released videos. And do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Without wasting your time, let us start. Today we'll be going through Edexcel Mathematics Paper 2 Foundation Tier, Level 1 to GCSE 9-1, June 2019, 1MA1 to F. Question number 1. Write 0.75 as fraction. So what we can do, we just type 0.75 and press equal to, we'll get 3 by 4, so we can write here 3 by 4. Or if you want to show working, then you can write 0.75 divided by 100 to cancel this decimal, and we can write 75 over 100, which is equal to 3 by 4. So this is optional, you can directly write 3 by 4. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in order of size. So the smallest number we'll have to write first. So smallest number is -3. So we'll write -3 first, then -1. Then it will be, next will be 0 and 2, and the biggest number will be 4, which we'll write over here. Question number 3, write down two factors of 15. So factors of 15, we can write factors of 15 as 1, so divisible by which number? So divisible by 1, 3 and 5 also, and 15 also. So we can write any of these. So 2 we require, so I'm writing 3 and 5. You can write 1 and 15, or any of these two you can write. Question number 4, change 1756 grams into kilograms. So there are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram, so 1756 will be divided by 1000 and we will get 1.756 kilograms. So this is equal to 1.756 kilograms will be our answer. Now question number 5, write the number 2 million in numbers. So 2 million is having 6 zeros, so this will be 2 million. Then comes next question. Dave goes into a cafe and buys 2 cups of coffee and a piece of cake. Each cake of coffee costs this much and the cake costs this much. Dave pays with £10 note. He thinks he will get more than 1.50 in change. Is Dave correct? You must show how you get your answer. So 2 cups of coffee is each is costing this much. So 2 multiplied by 2.75. This will be price of the coffee cups, and the cake costs this one, so a piece of cake, which is, so this in brackets plus 2.90 will be this one. So this will be adding up to, we can find this 2 multiplied by 2.75, this one, and plus 2.90. This will give us 8.4. So this is 8.4 pound, and 10 pound note he has given. So 10 minus 8.4 will be equal to 10 minus answer is equal to 1.6. So 1.6 pounds. This will be the answer. Now Dave, he thinks he will get more than this. So this is more than that. So yes, Dave is correct. So you can write yes, Dave is correct. Now question number 7. There are Y boats on a lake and there are 7 people in each boat. So write an expression in terms of Y for the total number of people in the boats. So there are Y boats, so Y multiplied by 7, so it will be 7Y. So answer will be 7Y. This is 1 mark question. Then question number 8, simplify A into B into 7. So this will be 7AB. So our answer will be 7AB. That's also done. A part is done. Then B part, Y multiply by Y multiply by Y. This will be when bases are being multiplied, so their powers will be 1. So Y will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to Y raised to power 3. So we can write Y cube. Similarly, simplify fully. So we can cancel E with E, this one, and F with F. So remaining will be E over F. This will be our final answer. So we can write E over F as final answer. Question number 9. The pictogram shows information about the number of vinyl records sold in a shop on Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday. This is Monday and Tuesday. Key is this one represents 8 vinyl records. So this is 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 24. So this is on Monday, how many? This is 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 24. And on Tuesday will be this one. So 8 plus 8 plus this will be fourth portion of 8 will be 2. So 16 plus 2 will be 18. So we can write 8 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 18. So this will be 24, this will be 18. And next information, on Wednesday and Thursday a total of 36 vinyl records were sold. The number of records sold on Thursday are 8 times the number of records sold on Wednesday. So records sold on Thursday, or for example X records, so on Thursday the number of records sold on Thursday was 8 times the number of records sold on Wednesday. So suppose we are on Wednesday, this is X, so Thursday will be 8x, so x plus 8x will be equal to 36. So 9x will be equal to 36 and x will be equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Use this information to complete the pictogram. So this one, Wednesday will be 4, and so our Wednesday will be 4 records and Thursday will be 32 records. So Thursday will be 8 into 4, which is equal to 32 records. So this information now we have to show on the pictogram. On pictogram, Wednesday will be 4. So fourth portion quarter circle will be this one. And then 32 we have to show. 32 will be 1 circle will be 8, 2 circle, 16, 3 circle, and 4 circle will be 8 4 is 32. So this will be 4 circles will be this one. This is done. Now question number 10. So these are 3 symbols provided and we have to insert 3 symbols over here. Write one of these symbols in each box to make 4 statements true. 14 is, this side is greater, so we will put this one like this, and 4 plus 7 will be, this will be resulting to 11, and this side will be 103. 103 minus 92 will be resulting to 11. So these two sides are equal. This 11 is equal to 11, so we will put equal to here. And 2 raised to power 2 will be 4, and this will be also 4, so this is equal. Symbol for these, minus 3 is lesser than is greater than basically -5, so we will put this symbol like this. So this is done. Then next we can solve question number 11. Equation is provided, values are provided for R and Q, and we have to find the value of P. So we replace the values. P will be equal to 7 into 5 plus 3 into -4. So this will be 35 minus this will be 12, and this will be equal to 35 minus 12 will be resulting to 23. So our answer P value will be equal to 23, which is question number 11. Now question number 12. Here is a part of a train timetable, and time is provided, and at Brington and London, so timings are provided in the table. Graham gets to the station of Brington at 7:15. So 7:15, work out how many minutes he has to wait until 7:22. So this one is easier question. What we can do, we can use calculator, time button. So 7 hours and 22 minutes minus 7 hours and 15 minutes, and this will be resulting to 7 minutes, 0 hours 7 minutes. So this will be, we can write 7 minutes as answer. So basically minutes is already there, they have written, so we just write 7. So that will be sufficient, no need to write minutes. Then next is work out how long it will take the 7:22 train to get to London. So we'll have to subtract these two timings. So this will be 9 hours minus this will be 7 hours and 22 minutes, and this will be 1 hour 38 minutes. So we can write 1 hour 38 minutes, and answer 1 hour and 38 minutes we can mention over here. Now this is done. Question number 13. Question number 13 is saying the diagram shows 9 identical squares inside a rectangle, and the length of the rectangle is 12. Work out the width of the rectangle. So width of the rectangle we have to check. So 1, 2, so this side is 12. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each square is having length of 2. So we can check from this side. It will be 1, 2, 3. This side we have to check. So we will be checking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 10. So this will be 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. How we have done this, I'll explain again. Like for example, each box is basically 2 by 2, 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So which we have checked from here. This complete length is 12 centimeters. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in this line. So 6 will be multiplied by 2 to get 12. Similarly, we can check from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will be resulting to 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. So that's why we are saying this is equal to 10 centimeter. Question number 14. Write the ratio, this ratio in the form n/1. So we have to change this into 1. So 4.5 ratio 2.25. We will divide both sides by 2.25 to get 1 on this side. So this will be, we can divide 4.5 divided by 2.25. This will be giving us 2. So this will be 2:1. So our answer will be 2:1, which will be over here. Then comes question number 15. A garden is in the shape of rectangle, 90 meter by 60 meters. So this is 90 and this is 60. flowers are grown in 40% of the garden. The rest of the garden is grass. Work out the area of the garden that is grass. So the complete area will be area of a rectangle will be equal to 90 meters multiplied by 60 meters. This will be equal to 90 multiplied by 60 will be resulting to 5400. So 5400 meters square will be area. So 40% is 40% is 40% of the garden is flowers. So 40% of area will be equal to 40 divided by 100 and multiply by 5400, and 40% we can write 40 over 100 into 5400. This will give us 2160 meters square. This will be flowers. So remaining area will be what? Grass area. So we can write here grass area will be equal to 5400 minus 2160. So this will be equal to 5400 minus answer, which will be equal to 3240. 3240 will be answer for this 1 meter square. So we'll write answer 3240 meter square at the proper location, 3240 meter square. Question number 16. 4 biased coins A, B, C, D are thrown, and the probability that each coin will land on heads is shown in the table. These are the probabilities. Which coin is least likely to land on heads? So basically numbers we have to compare. So how we can compare? We need everything in decimal. This is fraction, so we'll write 1 divided by 3. This will be this one, so we can write this as 0.3333. This is recurring, and 30%, so 30 divided by 100 will be equal to 3 by 10, which is 0.3. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers we have to compare, and which coin is least likely. So the minimum number we require, minimum number will be 0.3, so 30%, and this answer will be basically least likely will be this one, 0.033. This is 0.3, this is 0.033, so we'll write here B, which is 0.033. This is the least number, that's why we have mentioned over here. Which coin is most likely to land on heads? The maximum is this one, which is recurring, so it will be C. So we can write here C, which is 0. Basically this is 1 by 3. So we can, no need to write here, basically only 1 mark question, we can write just C. I'm just writing for your explanation, it is 1 by 3. Julie says the probability that coin C will land on heads is the same as the probability that coin C will land on tails. So 1 by 3, tails will be, give a reason, is she correct? So we have to say no, she's not correct, because tail will be the remaining probability will be 2 by 3, right? No, she is incorrect. Reason we have to say because the remaining probability will be 2 by 3. Yes, we can mention this. Then the coin B is going to be thrown 4,000 times. Work out an estimate for the number of times coin B will land on heads. So for B it is 0.033, probability is 0.033, so we'll multiply 4000 by 0.033 and this will be resulting to 4000 multiplied by 0.033 and this will be giving us 132. So 132, we have to provide the estimate for the number of times coin B will land on this, so it will be 132 times. So next, question number 17. There are 84 calories in 100 grams of banana and 84 calories in 100 grams and 87 calories in 100 grams of yogurt, and Preeti has 60 gram of banana. So banana and 150 grams of yogurt for breakfast. So work out the total number of calories in his breakfast. So to calculate this question, what we can do, we can calculate calories per gram. So banana, we can write here, banana will be equal to 84 calories in 100 grams. So this will be equal to 0.84. And for yogurt, yogurt will be 87 divided by 100. This will be equal to 0.87. Now she is taking 60 and 150. So we can add number of calories in breakfast. So calories in breakfast will be equal to 0.84. This number multiplied by 60 and plus this number 0.87 multiplied by 150, and we can calculate this. This will be 0.84 multiplied by 60 and plus the other number is 0.87 multiplied by 150, and this will give us 180.9. So 180.9, this will be calories. Answer will be over here, 180.9 will be our answer. Question number 18. Machine A and machine B both make car parts. Machine A makes 6 parts every 10 minutes. Machine B makes 13 parts every 15 minutes. On Monday, machine A makes parts for 12 hours and machine B makes parts for 10 hours. Work out the total number of parts made by the two machines on Monday. So for this question, machine A, we can write here A is making 6 parts for every 10 minutes. So 6 into in 1 hour it will be 6 tens. So 6, this will be for 1 hour and working for 12 hours. So this will be the number of parts made in 12 hours by A, and this will be 6 into 6 into 12 will be equal to 432 parts. And in case of machine B, this will be making 13 parts in 15 minutes. So 13 parts in 15 minutes, there are 4 15s in 1 hour, so 4 into, and the machine is working for 10 hours, so multiply by 10, this will be equal to 13 into 4 into 10, and this will be equal to 520. So 520 parts. So total parts will be equal to 432 plus 520, and this will be equal to 432 plus 520, this will be equal to 952 parts. So 952 2 parts will be the answer, which we can write over here, 952 parts. Question number 19. Here is a plan of a kitchen drawn by to a scale of 1:30. Sam is going to put a small table in the kitchen. The table has to be more than 180 centimeters from A. So 180 centimeters will be converted, 180 divided by 30 will be equal to 6 centimeters. So this will be the from A, more than 150 centimeter from BC. So 150 divided by 30 will be equal to 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters for from BC. So we will be checking that one. 6 centimeters from A and 5 centimeters from BC. Show by shading on the diagram the region where Sam can put the table. So we will be checking, we will be using compass for this. So we will open compass 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeter, this is exact 6 centimeter. Now we can put this compass on A, and after putting this one we have to check from A, it should be 180, so 6 centimeters. We will make an arc from here up to this line. We will be making arc from this line like this one. Neatly we will be drawing line. So it's not in this region. Out of this one will be 180 centimeters, and then they are saying that 150 centimeters. So 5 centimeter from BC. So we will be taking 5 centimeters from BC. So we can put a mark of 5 centimeter from here and 5 centimeters from here. So this will be 5 centimeter. We can join these points, so it should not be. So 5 centimeter, 150 centimeter from BC. So it's 5 centimeters. So this is the region in which kitchen table can be placed. So we have to shade this region. Hopefully you are understanding each and everything, and if you have not yet subscribed Maths TV, you should subscribe so that you will be getting more notification for incoming videos, and also recommend this channel to your friends and introduce this channel to your respected teachers as well. This is the shading region in which we can place that kitchen table, and we can shade this carefully, the region which is within this, which is satisfying the two conditions mentioned in the question. So we have almost done the shading part, and this region is the last one. Okay, so this is done. Now this is the shade, this is the region where we can put the table. This is done. Now question number 20, we have to solve the inequality 14n is greater than this. So we can shift 11n also to the other side. So this will be minus 11n is greater than 6, and 14 minus 11 will be 3n. 3n is greater than 6. We can divide by 3. So we can divide it by 3, and this will be cancelled. So n is greater than 2. So n is greater than 2 will be our answer, and n is greater than 2 we can mention over here. And the next B part is on the number line below. Show the set of values of x for which x plus 3 is greater than minus 2 and less than equal to 4. So we can solve this 3 we can shift to this side, so -2 minus 3 is less than x. We have taken this part and solved, and this will be -5, so x is greater than -5 after solving this. Now we can solve the other part, which is x plus 3 is less than equal to 4. 3 we can shift to other side, so x is less than equal to 4 minus 3, so x is less than equal to 1. So we have to show these numbers. So this is -5, so we can put circle over here, and there's no equal to, so we will be keeping this white from inside, and this is less than equal to 1, so we can make a circle over here. Equal to sign is there, so we will fill this circle. So this is filled circle, and we'll have to draw a line in between these two circles, so we can show this with this line. So this is what we have done. This will be scoring 3 marks. This is done. Now question number 21. On the grid below, draw the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 3 for values of x from -2 to 4. So we can check. This is basically -3 c value, so it's passing through -3. So c value is equal to -3, y intercept is -3, will reach at -3 and mark over there. So our line is passing through this one, and the rest is the gradient, which is m. So m value is equal to 2, which is this one, so 2 over 1, so rise is 2 and run is 1. So from here we can count 1, 2 and 1 unit to this side. So this will be our second point, and we can join these 2 points, and we can move the page. So this will be our line, which we can draw like this one. So on the draw the graph of this one for values of x from -2 to -4, -2 to 4. So we will be extending this line from -2, which is over here, so up to this one, -2 to 4. So 4 will be up to this point, so we'll be extending up to this one. So they are requiring line from this -2 to 4, which we have drawn. Hopefully you understood this. Then question number 22. Hannah is planning a day trip for 195 students. She asks a sample of 30 students where they want to go. Each student chooses one place. The table shows information about her results, and theme park is 10 students, theater 5, sports center 8, and seaside 7. Work out how many of the 195 students you think will want to go to the theme park. So it will be 10 out of 195. So this will be basically 30 students there are. So 10 out of 30. So 10 out of 30 into 195, and this will be equal to 10 out of 30 into 195 will be equal to 65 students. So what we have done, basically they have asked to 30 students, they have not asked 195 students. So we'll check the probability of 30 students, so it is 10 by 30. So 10 by 30 will be multiplied by 195, and we will check this will be 65 students. If we have asked 195 students, its estimate will be 65 for theme park. State any assumption you made and explain how this may affect your result. So the assumptions which we have made are, number one is that these 30 students are from this 195, and the sampling is random sampling. So we can say that we assume that sampling sampling is random and 30 students are also from the 195 students. So one of these assumptions you can write. Now question number 23. The container is in the shape of cuboid. Container is in the shape of cuboid and measurements are provided. The container is 2 by 3 full of water. A cup holds 275 milliliter of water. And what is the greatest number of cups that can be completely filled with water from the container? So we'll be checking the volume of the container. First of all, volume of container will be equal to 30 into 6 into 19, this into this into this, and this will be 30 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 19, and this will be resulting to 3420 centimeter cubed. Now this is volume of the container, but 2 by 3 is full of water. So water is equal to 2 by 3 of 3420. So this will be water, and this will be multiplied by 2 over 3, and this is equal to 2280 centimeter cube is basically the water, and 275 ml, and this is also centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml, so we can divide this. So cups of water will be equal to, we can divide 2280 divided by 275, and we can divide this number 2280 divided by 275. This will give us 8.29. So what we can do, we can write here 8.290, and they are asking for what's the greatest number of cups that can be completely filled. So 8 will be completely filled, and this will be the extra amount, so we will not be taking that. So completely filled cups will be equal to 8. So our answer will be 8 over here. This is done. Now question number 24. 24 says ABC is a right angle triangle. Calculate AB. This AB we have to, this side we have to find. This side is given, angle is given. So opposite over, this is opposite, this angle, this side is opposite over hypotenuse. So we can write AB over AC will be equal to sine theta, and theta is 38, so sine 38 degrees. So AB over AC is 16, and this is equal to sine 38 degrees. So this one will be AB will be equal to 16 sine 38 degrees, and this will be equal to 16 sine 38 degrees. This will be equal to 9.85. So this will be 9.85. This will be our answer, which is in centimeters, because this measurement is in centimeters. So 9.85 will be our final answer. Question number 25. Sally used her calculator to work out the value of a number y. The answer to her calculator display begin 8.3. Complete the error interval for y. So error interval for y will be it can be in between 8.3 to 8.4. So it can be any number like 8.3 to 8.4. So it cannot be lesser than, it will be like 8.3 and more numbers. So minimum can be 8.3 and the maximum can be 8.4. This will be not equal to sign. We cannot switch these numbers. 8.3 we have to write on this side, 8.4 we have to write on this other side, because this equal to sign is on this side. So it can be equal to 8.3 but it can't be equal to 8.4. Now question number 26 is saying pound 360 pound is shared between 1, 2 and 3 and 4 people. The ratio of amount of Abby gets to the amount of Ben is this one, and this each gets 1.5 times the amount Abby gets. Work out the amount of money that Ben gets. So for this one we can write Abby, Ben, Jolly and Danish. These are taking, like for example, this is 2:5, so simplest ratio will be 1:3.5. So we can write this one as 1 into x. This will be 3.5 into x, and this will be 1.5 times this Abby's amount, and 1.5 into x Abby's, and this will be also 1.5 into x. And now this is adding up to 360, so we can write x plus 3.5x plus 1.5x plus 1.5x is equal to 360, and this one we can add up to, this will be 1 plus 3.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 is equal to, this will be 7.5, so 7.5x is equal to 360, so x will be equal to 360 divided by 7.5 is equal to 48, so this will be 48. Now they are asking for Ben, and Ben is 3.5x, so Ben will be getting 45 into 3.5. This will be equal to 40, not 45, it's 48 basically. So this will be 48, this will also be 48. We can erase this and write it properly. So this is 48 and 48. So 48 multiplied by 3.5 will give us 168. So 168 will be the answer, which we can mention over here, 168. Question number 27, write this number in standard form. Standard form, we require decimal after first non-zero number, so it will be shifted after 5, so there will be 1, 2, 3 jumps, so it will be 5.62 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, because we are taking jumps to the right. So our proper answer at this place will be 5.62 into 10 raised to power minus 3. And write this one in ordinary numbers. So 10 raised to power 3, we can shift decimal 3 digits to the right, so it will be 1452. So answer will be 1452, which is done. Now question number 28. Here are first 5 terms of a Fibonacci sequence. So this is the first 5 numbers. Write down the next 2 terms of the sequence we have to write. So we will be checking what will be the next 2 numbers. So for this will be like 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 15 will be next term. 9 plus 15 means 9 plus 15 will be 24. So this next term will be 24, and 24 plus 15 will be equal to 39, so next term will be 39. So these are the two terms, 24 and 39, and the first three terms of the of a different sequence are 1, 2 and 3. This one, find the sixth term. So this will be a plus a will be 2a, 2a plus a will be 3a, and 2a plus 3a will be 5a, and 5a plus 3a will be 8a. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be sixth term. We can write 8a as sixth term. This is done. Then question number 29. A is provided, B is provided. Work out a minus 2b. So a is 4 and 5, and minus will be 3 and 2, and this will be equal to 4 and 5 as it is, and we can multiply this as 2 into 3 will be 6, and 2 into 2 will be 4, and this will be equal to 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, and 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, and this will be equal to minus 2 and 1. So this will be our final answer, minus 2 and 1. This was the last question of the paper. We are done with this. So hopefully you understood each and everything. Don't forget to subscribe Maths TV and press bell icon for future notifications. Recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.